सुष्मिता
टीका पकेबे रे
डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ राजधानी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. Today's topic is business environment and ethics. Its introduction part. So here business means busy in sales and purchase of goods and services. So here busy in sales and purchase of goods and services. Environment means its surroundings. And ethics means values and behavior of business organization and its individual included it. Okay, here business environment and ethics. Business means busy in sales and purchase of goods and services plus its surroundings and plus its values and behavior of business organization and its individuals include in the business. So here there are some questions like my contents is why it is very much important. It is very much important. And what is business? What is business environment? What is ethics? And types of business environment. Okay. So first of all we have to discuss about why it is very much important to study the business environment and ethics. So here we have to discuss and it is very much important to analyze the business and its surrounding to decide the business decision, and we have to examine which type of business we have to do doing for future and which is suitable place for the procedure of business or any type of operation of business. So first of all we have to decide the objectives of business. What do we have to do? Yes, business करने के लिए तो ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा in purchase and sales and doing the business in profit earning motives. So it is very much important to analyze the operation of business procedure and taking business decision. Here business decision for which type of business we have to do and in which place it is suitable for doing the business and which type of product we have to decide. So we have to properly analyze before we start a business. So this is very much important for MBA students. Why they are studying in their course? Because they have to know what is business and what is the particular environment and what type of values and behavior towards the business organization and they have to maintain in the workplace. So here they have to know about details of the business environment and ethics throughout their career. So next one is what is business. So here business is a process through which we have to produce some output. Output means whenever we have to generate some output, then we have to process some input. Okay. So input को लेकर ही हम लोग को क्या करना चाहिए कि input is proceeded through the transformational process. Then output is generated, and for that only there are supporting of management and supporting of external environment. So here the business is an organization or entity through which it will be engaged in total commercial and economic activities to getting output like profit through the process of purchase and selling activities. So business क्या है ये तो डाउट क्लियर हो चुका है, लेकिन यहाँ पर व्हाट इज बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट, हियर इट विल बी डिफाइंड एज द इट्स सराउंडिंग. बिजनेस जहाँ पर हम लोग को सिचुएशन एलोकेट करते हैं और जहाँ पर लोकेट करते हैं उसका सराउंडिंग क्या होता है. सराउंडिंग मीन्स whenever and where the business is situated, business is organized, then their surroundings and its inner surroundings and outer surroundings. So here business environment is one surrounding and it is the sum of the product, procedure and the goods and services processing in an organization and its outer side. This is the business environment. Then what is ethics? Yes, ethics here I will hint you that values and behavior. Yes, ethics is a process of values and behavior for an organization where the organization as a whole and the organizational worker employees are behave well towards the organizational development. So this is the business ethics. So types of business environment. Types of business environment. Next, what are the types of business environment? This is very much vast. The types of business environment. There are two types of business environment. One is internal environment. Second one is external environment. These two types of environment, first one is internal and second one is external environment. अच्छा, internal environment, that means inner surroundings of our own business. whenever एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर में जो भी कुछ होता है, जैसे कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इसके अंदर में जो भी पार्टिकल्स कंपोनेंट्स है, these are the inner or internal environment of that particular organization. So here internal environment मतलब कि internal environment का components कौन-कौन है, जैसे कि in this organization the suppliers, the managers, workers, employees, inputs, materials, raw materials, product, machines, money or man, these are the physical resources of the organization, that is known as internal environment or internal environment components. So here we have to describe internal environment. Who are the components? First one is suppliers, then customers, then intermediaries, corporate cultures, management, physical resources, these are the internal environment components. Okay. Next one is the external environment. The external environment again divided into two types. One is micro external environment. Another is macro external environment. The micro external environment contains competitors, marketing intermediaries, then competitors, marketing intermediaries, suppliers, customers, managers,